Hey on guys, Chris here, One Step Adventures. Come along today as we go to Rhinefall in Switzerland and check out one of the craziest waterfalls I've ever seen. And we also get to stand on a rock in the middle of it. Let's go.
Get on, Ben.
Jump on. 3 leg over. You good, mate? You got it there, mate?
Yeah. Put much in here. Mia.
She cracked it too, she did. Oh. Poor lady back there just trying to get a photo of no one in it, and yeah, we walked straight past it and we got the big oh, painting or something. I cleaned them, mate. I'll throw you off.
You weirdo.
Come. Yeah.
Kitty cat.
Oh man. This is a proper freaky elevator. Like there's a door right here to nowhere.
Daddy's a bit of a scared one.
Right now.
We can actually see how we get down. And why is this up here? Wow, we're gonna crash! Let's go.
Back on safe ground again. Woo! So for one adult, it's 5 francs for, I don't know, €8. Australian dollars, maybe 12 bucks or something. Skateboard?
Yeah.
Don't you mean like a canoe? So you get a boat here and then you go right to where that flag is. This is proper cool. Whoa, step there. Watch that step there, Mia.
Rocks are really slippery, eh?
Yeah. Because they get mist on them and spray, they're actually a little bit slippery, these stairs. You gotta be a bit careful with them. Oh, here we are, going to a cave. Watch out for bats.
Careful, it's really slippery, yeah?
Yeah. Yeah, these rocks are super slippery. I don't think it's from the mist. I think it's because so many people walk through here that it's like shined the rocks almost. That is roaring. Is that cool? Now watch it, eh? Because you walk straight out here and you're so just taken away from the water, you're not watching above your head. Next minute, cool. It is. You can stand right here and just flow straight under you. I'm not going to lie, it'd be cool to jump in here and just feel that pressure just suck you out. But at the same time, you don't know what's under there. You could jump straight into a rock. Whoop.
Good. The yellow one,
Yeah.
where you have 20 minutes at the middle piece there.
Okay.
Or we can do the right, the red one. It's just crossing over.
Let's do the yellow one. That's the cool one, isn't it?
The pink one is with an audio guide.
Yeah.
And the green one. This goes down here. Down they call it the gym in Amazon.
Let's do the rock tour.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's do that one. So a quick, probably €100.
I'd say 70.
Oh, maybe €75. Hey. Good, thank you. All right then.
We're gonna take this across, and then we're gonna go on the yellow boat, okay?
So this one's going to get us across, it is, and then we're going to get onto the yellow boat, and the yellow boat takes us to the middle of the waterfall where you can get off and you can go up the stairs. We're in the middle of a massive big waterfall. Dankeschön. Off we get. The next lot get back on. Thank you. So we're getting on the tiger boat now. It's going to take us over there. You want to sit there? Look how clear that water is, kids.
Look, there's a fish.
Oh, there's a fishy there, yeah.
And they put a camera in the water.
Yeah. rocking. That cool, mate? Well, he's definitely done this a time or two, that's for sure. Right. Very good. So off we get. Whoa, look how steep these stairs are. Wait. Let them come down first, okay? Straight up, those stairs are bloody steep, those first ones are. After that, it gets pretty normal again. Whoa. Oh, maybe not actually. Mia, you right? Oh man, check these out. It might as well be a ladder. There's some old people behind us. It's going to be interesting to see how they go. Check out this. In the middle of a waterfall. There you are. Check out this. We're on a rock in the middle of a waterfall, man. This is absolutely nuts. What do you reckon?
Good?
Good?
Yeah.
Dude, you're on a rock. You're standing on top of a rock. In the middle of a waterfall.
I don't care.
That's where we started, and then we walked down to that platform, and then over to this platform, and then we got the boat across to here. And the boat brought us straight down through here and dropped us off here. There. The guy had some mad skills as well. He literally drove over to his whitewash and used that to bring him across beautifully straight into the pocket. He's done it a time or two. Oh, man. Pretty cool, eh? We dropped the water bottle, it fell out of the bag all the way up there. Lucky it's landed just here somewhere, but now one of us has to go across the barrier and get it. So, where it says no one to walk. There we go. Like a glove, eh? How's that, man?
Yeah.
That is so That's so cool. That is insane. That's awesome. She's cut herself twice already, or 3 times is it? How many times she cut herself now?
3 times. One day.
Big step, mate.
Oh look, there.
Hot dog with a view, eh?
Yeah. I'm bigger.
Just going to eat a hot dog for lunch. It's something real quick and easy so we can get moving again.
Oh well.
There's a bistro right there. We got the boat. Everyone was hungry, so we just stopped straight at that first place we did. And the food was so average, and we just walked past what everyone's eating here, and it looks absolute banging. So yeah, highly suggest going here, over, back there. So yeah, well, live and learn.
The boat to go with the hop there.
Good job, you two. Good job.
Let's go.
Hey! Please tell me you press play.
Yeah.
Good job. Ready?
Almost. I said it when.
Yep. That was heat faster. Yeah.
I'm going to do that again. It's just fun.
So a little bit of details about this waterfall. 150 meters wide it is. I thought it was about 200. Height of it is 23 meters. That might be from the water level, maybe. I'm not too sure. The depth is 13 meters. So yeah, age of it is 15,000 years old. In summertime, it's got a lot more water, like 600,000. And wintertime, it's 250,000. What's that? Liters per sec. Oh, wow. Okay, that's liters per second. So 600,000 liters per second in summer, and 250,000 liters per second in winter. Leave me alone. The window. All right, let's go before you wet someone. Come on. Oh, kiddos. That's where we started. We're going to get the step count up today. You made it. Okay. Don't sprain your ankle. So right there on that rock was where we're at. Right in the middle of it. Right there. That's so cool. So why are these padlocks here?
Yes.
So people put these there because it's like we've been here. So they put their initials on it and they put it on there. But you know what normally happens?
No.
The council come through and they chop them off and take them away, because when you get lots on there, they start looking real ugly. I don't know.
Mama said.
So pretty much we've started at the very first place. We've got the boat to go across, then we've got the boat to go to the rock in the middle. We went back. We had a terrible feed. Self-inflicted. We should have looked around a little bit, and then we've just walked around the whole entire thing. Absolute spectacular day. Well worth it, and I'd highly recommend coming to this place.
Is it?
Oh, that's okay. 9 francs.
€10.
That's good. So we're done with this one. Hope you guys enjoyed the video.
Please be sure to like and subscribe.
Benji, you want to say goodbye?
Bye bye.